Qatar is a small but affluent nation in the Middle East, known for its stunning architecture, rich culture, and luxurious hospitality. It's a fascinating destination that offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Doha Corniche, a beautiful waterfront promenade with stunning views of the city skyline. Souq Waqif, a traditional Arab market offering a vibrant shopping experience. Museum of Islamic Art, a world-class museum showcasing Islamic art and culture. The Pearl-Qatar, an upscale artificial island with luxury hotels, high-end shopping, and fine dining. Qatari Cultural Village, a cultural center featuring traditional Qatari architecture and art. Desert Safari, experience the thrill of desert safaris, dune bashing, and camel riding. Doha, the capital of Qatar, is a vibrant city that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. It's a fascinating destination that offers a unique blend of stunning architecture, rich culture, and luxurious hospitality. Museum of Islamic Art, a world-class museum showcasing Islamic art and culture from around the globe. Corniche, a beautiful waterfront promenade with stunning views of the city skyline and the Persian Gulf. Qatar's wealth is primarily derived from its vast reserves of natural gas, making it one of the richest countries in the world per capita. This wealth has allowed Qatar to invest heavily in infrastructure, education, and healthcare, transforming the country into a modern and prosperous nation. Here are some key factors contributing to Qatar's wealth. Qatar possesses the third largest natural gas reserves globally, providing a significant source of income. Qatar has made strategic investments in various sectors, including real estate, finance, and technology. The Qatari government has implemented various economic and social reforms to diversify the economy and improve the quality of life for its citizens. Qatar is known for its luxurious lifestyle, with world-class hotels, shopping malls, and entertainment venues. It's important to note that while Qatar is a wealthy nation, it also faces challenges such as climate change and economic diversification. However, with its abundant resources and strategic planning, Qatar is well-positioned to maintain its status as a global economic powerhouse. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information on Qatar's travel policies, it's best to consult the official government website or contact the Qatari embassy or consulate in your home country. However, as of now, Qatar has significantly relaxed its COVID-19 related travel restrictions. Most travelers no longer need to present a negative COVID-19 test or proof of vaccination. Most nationalities require a visa to enter Qatar. You can apply for a visa online or upon arrival at the airport. It's advisable to have comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical emergencies. While Qatar is a modern country, it's important to dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Be aware of Ramadan, as it can impact business hours and dining options. The Qatari riyal is the official currency. Arabic is the official language, but English is widely spoken. Living in Qatar offers a unique blend of modern luxury and traditional Qatari culture. Qatar offers a high standard of living with world-class infrastructure, modern amenities, and luxurious facilities. Expats in Qatar enjoy tax-free income, which significantly boosts their savings. Qatar is known for its high levels of safety and security. Qatar is home to a diverse population, offering opportunities to interact with people from different cultures and backgrounds. Qatar offers a modern lifestyle with state-of-the-art shopping malls, fine dining restaurants, and entertainment options. Qatar boasts world-class healthcare facilities and medical professionals. While Qatar is modernizing, it's important to respect local customs and traditions, especially regarding dress code and public behavior. The cost of living in Qatar can be high, particularly for housing and imported goods. Social life can be restricted for some, especially for single expats, due to cultural norms and limited nightlife options. Qatar has strict laws, and it's essential to be aware of and adhere to them. By understanding the pros and cons and following these tips, you can enjoy a fulfilling and rewarding experience in Qatar.